Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many users face when trying to associate file extensions with specific programs. In this case, the problem at hand is the need to associate .docx files with OpenOffice, or in this case, LibreOffice. The solution to this problem involves using PowerShell to create the necessary registry keys and entries. By running the provided script in an admin PowerShell console, you can easily associate .docx files with LibreOffice. The script first defines the extension, executable path, file type, and registry hive. It then creates the required registry entries for LibreOffice docx, setting the appropriate values for the file type and the command to open docx files with LibreOffice Writer. Continuing with the solution, the script then proceeds to create additional registry entries under the specified hive to fully configure the association. By setting the command value to launch the swriter.exe executable with the O option and the sent1 parameter, representing the file path, the association between .docx files and LibreOffice Writer is successfully established. To summarize, by using PowerShell to create the necessary registry entries, you can seamlessly associate .docx files with LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple and effective solution to ensure that your files open with the desired program. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Who knew file associations could be so fascinating, right?